Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Well guys, you might have noticed one thing. For some candidates, their result is delayed. What are the reasons behind that? And I've got a case study of one of my Indian students. His result is delayed and nowadays he is in the process and he is having some communication with the test center. So that's what I'm going to share with you. The first thing is sometimes your result is delayed because the result is not compiled. So that's okay. After a couple of days, they announce your result and there is nothing to worry about that. The second thing is if you do any cheating during the test, if you did anything wrong or if you talk to somebody, if you talk to your friend and the invigilators, they notice that, even then your result can be delayed as well. Now the third thing, why your result is delayed, if you are getting exceptional band score in listening, exceptional band score in reading, but your band score in speaking is very low as compared to listening and reading, or your band score in writing is very low, then they call for inquiry on that thing and then your result is delayed. Now I'm going to share the story of this student. I'm not going to tell you his name. He's got the notification and the letter received that was, we refer to your Ielts test of June 1, 2019. Strict quality control procedures are in place to protect the integrity and security of the Ielts test. As part of these procedures, test results are routinely analyzed by the Ielts test partners before they are issued. Then they say, as a result of these procedures, your test score for the June 1, 2019 have come under scrutiny. Now his score has come under scrutiny and I'm sure there must be more band in one or two modules and there must be exceptionally low band in one or two modules. So they are doubtful about it, that why he got too high band score and too low band score. Then they say, as a result, it's going to go on under scrutiny and are being investigated. Your results are being withheld while this investigation is being conducted. Please note that all investigations are conducted without prejudice by the Ielts test partners. And then they asked him to write something. There is another mail that he received. Should you wish to offer any information that may support your test performance on June 1, 2019, please send a scanned handwritten statement. So he was asked to write a statement that I didn't do anything wrong, the test was fine and all that stuff. And then they sent him this form and he had to write these things. He wrote, dear sir or madam, my name is this and I wrote the test and all that. And then recently he received this, thank you for your mail, we have received your statement. Please note that the investigation is in progress and you will be contacted by the test center once it is finalized. Unfortunately, we are unable to give you any date, any time, and note that the test center where you sat the test can also provide a letter of explanation to university and immigration authorities which will explain why the results were not released to you on 5th day after the test. So that means it was computer delivered Ielts if it is 5th day. So guys, he's still in contact with them and let's see what happens, right? And once he gets his result, I'm going to share his complete story with you. This is the story of one of my Indian students whose result is delayed. Again, I tell you, if you misbehave, if you do any cheating during the exam, and if your Ielts band score in all 4 modules has got a lot of variation, like in one module 4, in one module 7, then definitely they call for inquiry and they see what is the reason. That is why those people who used to buy keys of listening and reading, that is useless now. If your band score in listening and reading is exceptionally high and the other 2 modules your band score is exceptionally low, there will be an inquiry and at the end your result will be cancelled, your test will be cancelled and money will not be refunded to you. So please be careful, and if there is anything like that with you, do share with me, and you guys know I am your voice. I'm going to share that with everyone so that we know. Now those who've got the delays in their results, at least this video can benefit you, and if it might happen with you in the future, you know already what can be done about this. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well, and I also teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best, and I truly wish all the best to my student who is from Indian Punjab and his result is delayed. I asked him, tell me honestly if you did anything wrong, and he said, sir, I promise I didn't do anything wrong at all. Now let's see what happens, and when he gets his result, when he gets his final verdict, I'm going to share that with you as well. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.